So good day, my dear students. For today's video, we're going to talk about the Sieve of Eratosthenes. But first and foremost, who is Eratosthenes? Eratosthenes po is the first person who measured the circumference of the Earth. So aside from that, in the number theory, Eratosthenes has a significant contribution also by inventing the sieve or the algorithm wherein we can use this algorithm to identify the prime numbers within the given limit. So before that, since we're talking about prime numbers, let us review what prime numbers are. So prime numbers po are the integers greater than 1 that is only divisible by 1 and itself. So as defined po, integers such as 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11 are prime integers. The least prime number is 2. So why so po, my dear students? Because 1 is neither a prime nor a composite. Because by definition po, di ba, prime numbers daw po are only divisible by 1 and itself. Pero si 1 po, sarili niya na po yun. So wala na po siyang ibang factors or wala na po sa kanyang ibang makaka-divide kundi yung sarili niya and nothing else. So si prime number po, dalawa po yung pwedeng makadivide sa kanya, 1 and itself. Pero si 1 po, sarili niya lang po ang pwedeng makadivide. That's why 1 is neither a prime nor a composite. We have an example here. First is number 5. Is 5 a prime number? Yes, it is. Why? Kasi po, ang makaka-divide lang po sa kanya ay 1 and itself na 5. Ang 7 po ba ay prime number? Yes, it is. Why? Kasi po, ang makaka-divide lang po sa kanya ay 1 at 7. Ang 9 po, prime number po? Hindi po siya prime number. Bakit po? Madi-divide po siya ng 1, ng 3, at ng sarili niya. So therefore, meron na siyang tatlong pwedeng makadivide, hindi po siya prime number. Ang 13 po, prime po ba? Yes, it is. Why? It can be divided by 1 and itself, which is the number 13. Okay, ang number 16 po, prime po ba? No, it's not. Bakit po? Marami po sa kanyang pwedeng makadivide, such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, pwede din po si 15, 20, 30, at 60 na sarili niya. So therefore, hindi po siya prime number. How about si 101? So yes, 101 is a prime number kasi po wala pong ibang pwedeng makadivide kay 101 kundi 1 and 101. Now we have here 1. Is 1 a prime number? No, it's not. Because by definition, prime numbers should have 2 divisors. It should have 1 and itself as a divisor. However, dito po kay 1, siya lang po, sarili niya na lang po yung divisor. So, it only has 1 divisor. So, therefore, ito po ay not a prime number. So, remember po, my dear students, na ang least prime number is 2. So, si 1 po, this is what we call the unit number. And therefore, not a prime number. So, dito po, 150. Is 150 prime number? No, it's not. Bakit po? Marami po siyang divisors such as 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 25. Pwede din po si 30, 50, 75, and 150. So therefore, si 150, hindi po siya prime number. Now, how about 149? Yes, it is a prime number. Why? It can only be divided by 1 and 149 and nothing else. So how about si 22? So actually 22 is not a prime number. Why? It can be divided by 1, 2, 11, and itself 22. So therefore, hindi po siya prime number. So I hope prime numbers are already clear to you. Now let's move to our sieve of Eratosthenes. Now by definition po, the sieve of Eratosthenes is an ancient method of finding prime numbers up to a specific integer. So, ibig sabihin po, bibigyan tayo for example ng limit. Halimbawa, 1 to a certain number, then hahanapin po natin kung ano-ano doon yung mga prime numbers. And the sieve of Eratosthenes is actually a process. So meaning to say, may algorithm po siya. So yung first po nating algorithm or the first step is to write a list of numbers from 2 to the largest number n you want to test. So halimbawa, binigyan kayo ng halimbawa 1 to 25, find the prime numbers from 1 to 25. So ang isusulat natin kasi alam natin na ang pinakamaliit na prime number is 2, hindi na natin isusulat si 1 because we already know that 1 is not a prime number. So magsisimula na po tayo kay 2. Then calculate for the square root of the n, and after that, i-identify po natin yung mga prime numbers doon na mas mababa kay n. And after that, i-identify po natin yung mga prime numbers na mas mababa doon sa value ng square root ng n. Then after that, yung mga multiples po ng prime numbers ng square root ng n is i-strike off po natin. So to show the process, let's have an example. So for example, meron po tayong problem na use the sieve of Eratosthenes to find all the primes less than 10. Let us calculate for the square root of 10. So the square root of 10 is equal to 3.16. Approximately, the value or the square root of 10 is equal to 3.16. So, ano po yung mga numbers, mga prime numbers na mas mababa kay 3.16? So, we have 3 and 2. So, let's encircle 3 and 2. Then, sabi po dito, strike off the multiples of the primes that are less than the square root of 10. So, first, let us strike all the multiples of 2. So, we have here 4, 6, and 8. Then, lahat daw po ng multiples ni 3. Ano po yung mga multiples ni 3? That is 6 and 9. Tapos po, meron na lang tayong natitira na 5. Pero since ang 5, ang multiple niya ay 10, ibig sabihin, i-strike off din po natin yan. So, ano na lang po yung mga natira? 2, 3, 5, and 7. So, therefore, from 1 to 10, ang mga prime numbers lang po na meron tayo from 1 to 10 ay 4. So, ito po yung conclusion natin. Therefore, from 1 to 10, there are only 4 prime numbers. These are 2, 3, 5, and 7. So now let's proceed to our second example. For our second example, use the sieve of Eratosthenes to find all the primes less than 50. So first things first, list daw po the numbers. We already have a list. And now let's compute for the square root of 50. The square root of 50 is equivalent to 7.07. We need to encircle all of the primes less than 7.7. So we have here 2, 3, 5, and 7. Ngayon po, kailangan daw po muna natin i-strike lahat ng multiples nito. So we have all the even numbers. So, lahat ng even numbers, strike po natin. We have 12, 22, 32, 42, 4, 14, 24, 34, 44, 6, 16, 26, 36, 46, 8, 18, 28, 38, 48, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now, lahat naman po ng multiples ni 3. We have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, and 48. Ngayon po, strike naman po natin lahat ng multiples ni 5. So, lahat lang po ng mga may ending na 5 or 0 yung strike po natin because those are the multiples of 5. Now, multiples din daw po ni 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, and 49. So, yan. Ano na lang po yung mga natitira? We have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, and 47. So, ano na po yung magiging conclusion natin? We therefore conclude that, therefore, from 1 to 50, there are 15 prime numbers. These are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, and 47. So that's it, my dear students. Now let's go to example number 3. For example number 3, we are asked to find for all the primes less than 100 this time. So first things first, let us get the square root of 100, which is equal to 10. We need first to encircle all of the primes that are less than 10. So we have here 2, 3, 5, 7. Then after that, let us strike all of the multiples of these. So we have 12, 22, 32, 42, 52, 62. Lahat po ng may even po sa hulihan, automatic po nating strike off because those are the multiples of 2. Okay, now for the multiples of 3, we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, then 54, 57, 60, we have 63, 66, 69, then 72, 75, 78, 81, 84, 87, 90, 93, 96, and 99. So now, for all the multiples of 5 naman po. So lahat po na nag-e-end sa 5 and number 10, strike po natin yan. Because meaning to say, lahat po yan ay composite. And now, for the multiples of 7, we have 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84, 91, 98. So therefore, lahat po ng natira, sila po yung mga prime numbers less than 100. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. So therefore, from 1 to 100, we have 25 prime numbers. So yun po magiging conclusion natin. Therefore, from 1 to 100, we have 25 prime numbers. These are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, and 97. So that's it for today, my dear students. If you still have questions, please don't hesitate to comment down below. So I hope you have learned a lot. Thank you for listening and see you on my next vlog.